Hi and welcome to Reseller News. My name is Rich Pasini. Today is November 5th, 2018. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content and you keep coming back for more. Today I just want to talk a topic that we're going to be dealing with in months to come here, and it is the online sales tax. So without further ado, I have a Windows open up here and I just want to talk a little about it. Hopefully it'll be a quick news brief and then we can call it a day. Here we go. First I'm going to do is go over here and put my glasses on for this. It's over here. This came from the eBay community chat board, okay? And this came out October 29, 2018, and it says over here the update: ongoing changes in how internet sales tax may impact your business. Starting January 1st, 2019, Minnesota will be joining the list of states where eBay will be collecting sales tax on applicable transactions. We're committed to supporting any sellers who have been affected by the June 2018 Supreme Court decision, which changed the rules on how around how internet sales tax is administered. What the ruling means for you, regardless of your physical location, if you sell to buyers in certain states, those states may require you to collect applicable taxes on transactions. Some states had extended the tax collection obligation to marketplaces. We believe this ruling is unfair to small businesses and will continue to find the best way to support and advocate for our sellers. Based on these new laws, we will calculate, collect, and remit sales tax for applicable orders shipped to the customers in the following states: Washington will be starting January 1st, 2019. Minnesota, January 1st, 2019. Pennsylvania, starting July 1st, 2019. Oklahoma will be starting July 1st, 2019. It goes on to say over here, folks, once we collect the sales tax in these states, you do not need to take any action. There are no extra charges or fees for this service. Prior to these dates, please continue to collect and remit tax in the states and comply with applicable requirements they impose. There are no opt-outs for selling items in these states listed above, or out of eBay automatically collecting sales tax for applicable orders. Additional states will likely be added to the list. Stay informed on the help pages. For more information on these new tax requirements, we recommend consulting with your tax advisor. If you do not have one, please contact our partners at Alvera and Tax Jar for specific insights into the best course of action for you. As always, thank you for selling on eBay. So there you have it, folks. For those who are resellers on eBay, I'm sure you were all well aware of it, that this was bound to happen. I mean, it was going back and forth since I remember listening to eBay radio, and now it's coming to play. So, like I said, January 1st is not too far off here. Before you know it, we'll be, have to comply to these. Now, that's if you sell in these states, okay? So, eBay supposedly will, I guess, give some kind of assistance with this here, but we'll see how it plays out. But this is just a little refresher, a little reminder here to keep you guys aware, stay ahead of the curve, so to speak, when it comes to this here. It's a thing that we're going to have to deal with, and as long as you're selling on eBay, we're going to have to comply with these rules. So just wanted to share it with you really quick. I'm going to bump out of here. Now comes the downside. Here we have over here, again, from the eBay community, as you can see here. Yes, this has been really bad. A lot of people are talking about it. If you go to the eBay community, if you click on selling, you will see it says over here, eBay sales down 95%. I'm not going to read all of these here, but I'm going to read one particular one that may be of help to us, and I'll share it with you how I how I handled it. I'm just going to, and maybe it'll be helpful to you guys. But let's just read a couple of these here. It says eBay sales down 95%. You know it, you understand it. It's apprehensive, isn't it? Ruthless people. Here's another one. It says when they leave, they quit buying too. I checked one poster, whatever the person's name is over there, that said he left and he was 1,200 rating seller. Sure enough, no listings, but you could see where just a recent he had a bunch of. I really worried about when I see that. Here's another one here. Is this something wrong that just helps me sell my items on eBay? This is down 50%. Now this, if you look at the dates here, folks, these are from November 4th, okay, yesterday. So it's pretty serious stuff here going on here, folks. It really is serious. Here's another one here. It says, and the tech frankly, yeah, and the tech frankly sucks. Search engine shows you everything, but what you search for, people are getting checkout glitches, no photos showing up, and app failure, and more. Here's another one. Thank you for the info. I'll try that. The one I was talking about is coming up. Let me see here. Let's see here. I'm not going to read all of these here because, like I said, well, I don't want to take too much of your time. It was the one. This might be it. No, that ain't it. I'm sorry, guys. There was one over here the person had. It was a good information on there. Maybe it's all the way at the bottom here. Okay, this is the one I was referring to, folks. I'm sorry. It says over here, just spoke with an eBay rep again. This person here was talking about eBay sales down 95%. Just spoke with an eBay rep again this morning about no sales. He said that refreshing your listings may help. Go to all your active listings, select all of them, click on edit. Don't make any changes, just click on submit changes. Should help with the visibility in a couple of days. I am skeptical, but I thought I would share with the information with my struggling eBayers. Well, I just want to say thank you very much, Jewel of the Heart. It is greatly appreciative, and I'm going to go over there right now and just give a little insight to help people out if they're not familiar, especially if they're new bays on what they're talking about. This tip here helped out. I think it may. I don't know. I don't know. I'm all ears. I want to check it out and see if it works or not. So I'm going to go over it and try it, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your managed listings, active listings. As you can see here, I only have, I think, at 18 left. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here. Oh, I'm sorry. You got to go to Actions. You go to Actions tab. Click them on. Make sure all of them, checked off. Then when you're going to go up here to Edit, Edit Selected. Okay, click to make sure that one's done. You're going to go here. It's going to take you to another window. It says processing listings, right? I only have 18 according to this. Okay. Let's click on here. You want to click them all on, like that. Once you get to the edit listings. Submit changes, just like they said. There's nothing else to do but just confirm and submit. Now, if you had a lot more listings, it'll take a lot longer. The reason why it's going quick is I only have 18. There's nothing you need to do here. It says you have successfully submitted your listings. You just click the OK button. And bingo, you're done. Okay. Well, it takes a couple days. Like I said, what did they say over here? It'll take some time here. Let's see here. I'm just saying over here. Well, this is pretty good that the eBay teammates shared that with this particular seller, because, like I said, I'm all anything to help out. It'll help me. It's a good piece of information. It says over here. Sorry, it says should help with visibility in a couple of days. So we'll see what happens. And I came across this website, folks. It's called Fat Fingers. And what it is all about is it says spelling mistakes and typos. It says thousands of items are listed on eBay with spelling mistakes. They often end with no bids, as one can find them. Type in a search word below and click the find to uncover these hidden gems. Okay. I'm not going to expand too much on it. You could check it out for yourself. I'm going to give you the website here. It's fatfingers.com. That's it. And it's got some options over here. You could hide the options. Whatever it says, you can include correct spelling, just buy it now, auctions, just auctions that use PayPal to prevent the word, whatever. And then it says over here, to prevent the word appearing in the results, use the minus example, an example here, PlayStation 3 dash PlayStation. And then what's over here? It's to prevent certain parts of the search from being misspelled, use square brackets, example, Volkswagen, open brackets, whatever, golf, and we'll find all golf cars with the Volkswagen misspelled. Okay, so I just give you a little thing here. It's right now on eBay, whatever. I don't know if this is part of their software package or whatever, but I just thought I'd share it with you guys here. That's basically it. I'm gonna bump out of here really quick, and I just want to end this segment here. This news, I call it a news brief. I just want to just touch base with you guys on there. I don't know how you guys been doing on your sales. My sales, like I said in my other recent videos, have been dead. I don't know if there's any more glitches going on with eBay and stuff, but I've had recently, I told you guys, I recently opened up a starter store, and it's not bad. You know, if you do it for the year, it's $4.95 for the month, $4.95 a month. You get 100 free listings. I think the insertion fees for the store, I think it's 30 cents. I think for additional, like if you owe over, I believe if you go over the amount, this, what do you call it, the 100 listings that they give you for that price. If you go over it, I think it's an additional 30 cents with the store. You do get some little perks in there. It's not bad. It's okay. I mean, I like it so far, but I mean, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be doing it. And people say, for $4.95 a month, you might want to just hang in there. It might be worth keeping it, you know, whatever. I don't know. I mean, I don't have, all I have is 18 listings here. I've been letting them fall off because the sales have been dead. That's why I wanted to share that site there with you guys, you know, on the eBay community about the sales being 95% down. That was a good tip that seller gave here. I don't know how it's going to work, folks, by, you know, resubmitting all your listings and, you know, editing and just, you know, submit. If it's going to refresh their eBay algorithm where it's going to put you higher in a search engine or whatever. I don't know what the outcome is going to be with that, but I just thought I'd share it with you guys, you know. Otherwise, there's nothing really much going on here. I got news alerts that came in recently. I may put them out later. If not, I may do it tomorrow or whatever. There's just way too much stuff to go through. I mean, I get so much, tons and tons of stuff from different sources, and it'd be impossible for me to do this here. I know I reached out, or I should say, one follower reached out to me on one of my videos. I mentioned that I was going to be doing the reseller news. You know, try to keep the segments like between 10 and 15 minutes long. And one of the subscribers had stated that, you know, it would be nice if we could make it longer. But I think by me, I like to oblige that there. I like to try to, you know, work along with that. But for the simple reason, I think when they're too long, these videos are too long, I think it's more of a turnoff to some people than it is to be of help to them. You know, I don't know if people want to sit and hear me for over an hour or about an hour, whatever, talking about, you know, reselling and stuff like that. So I think going forward, I would, for not only for that, but for myself, because when I'm uploading a video that's about an hour long, okay, it takes, because I don't have a state of our computer system here, it takes roughly about anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours to upload that, depending how much graphics are in there or depending how it's edited and stuff like that, you know. And like I said again, I don't have you know, a super computer here. It does process. It's decent. It does the job, but when it comes to you know processing, it's not the fastest. You know, and sometimes it takes a lot longer for me to get this work done. Actually, you know, to be honest with you, I've been spending more time doing my videos than I'm focusing on making money with eBay, because right now that's what's happening. You know, this here is giving me more by eBay being slow. It's giving me more opportunity to create videos, you know, to put out there, especially Reseller News. I think it's pretty good, you know, good YouTube channel, and I hope more people will keep coming back and subscribing to my channel for good information. Like I said again, those who do follow me know I do not discuss religion and politics, and I do not use profanity on this channel. I consider it to be a kid-safe channel, meaning that if you have little kids around you, and you don't have to worry about me coming out in a rant and start cursing up a storm and using the F-bomb word, all that other stuff. It's not what I'm all about. This channel is strictly for deals with reselling. It's e-commerce. But I also do other things in lieu of that. It's not strictly going to be just quote-unquote all about reselling. I do like to cover other topics as well. So I hope you guys like the content I put out. I hope you will subscribe, like, and share and comment. Please, leave comments as long as they're nice. I do respond to them. I've helped quite a few people that had watched other videos of mine. I think that basically demo videos when it came to electronics, people were asking questions about maybe printers or how could they get software uploaded, in lieu of the item they bought. It was a purchase. Let's say they purchased a used, computer, and they didn't know where to get the software from. I would, do my little research on it, which I'm sure they could do the same thing. But being they asked me, I'm more than willing to help. And I would do the research for them. I don't mind. And I would give them the link, tell them exactly where to go into, where to get the software, or for even user guides. You could still get user guides for certain items with certain companies. I know HP has it, Sony has it. I think probably a good majority of electronic companies have online, or I guess in a PDF file, where you could download their user guides or user manuals, whatever. I know the software you can. I've done that in the past with my HP. I was able to download software with my HP computer. Also for my printers, I have 2 printers there. I bought pre-owned. I didn't get no software with them and no user guides. And I was able to go to their site, and I could print off a guide, but it's too long. So what I do is I always tell people in my videos, when you get a situation like that, if things like 100 pages long or whatever, or 20 or 30 or whatever, and you don't want to waste all your paper or use all your ink in your laser printer, just go to that specific topic. If you're talking about how to print or how to change a printer ribbons or whatever, or print cartridges, just scroll down to that site. If you want a hard copy, you could leave it, or just leave it on your computer and just follow the instructions on there. You don't have to even print it out. But that's how I do it. I didn't print the manuals out for these here, and they're both pre-owned printers, but they're in good condition though, very good condition. That's the only reason why I bought them. And not only that, if you want to buy them brand new, one would probably cost about $400,000 or $500,000, and the other one would probably be like a $300 printer. So I picked them up, like I said, pre-owned. Got them for a good price at my local thrift store. Happened to be a half price day, half off day, so I did even better yet. But that's what I'm saying. But I don't mind, helping people out, sharing information with you guys. So if you do like the content, please like, comment, and share. And most important, please hit the bell notification if you want to update it on the new content that comes out. But anyway, folks, I want to close out this segment here. My name is Rich Pasini. You're watching Reseller News. Today is November 5th, 2018. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye-bye now.